Governor Andy Beshear is asking anyone who can to light up their homes in green tonight in a gesture of compassion for the families of two more Kentuckians, a 75 and 77-year-old who died from complications related to the coronavirus. We also learned today the number of cases in Kentucky has topped 300. Evening Edition's Mike Valenti is outside the Capitol with the latest.
Yeah, Kevin, Nancy, the 54 new cases reported today is the biggest day-to-day jump yet, but it's only a slight uptick from yesterday when the state reported 50 new cases. And in an attempt to keep trying to flatten this curve, so to speak, the governor is urging all Kentuckians not to travel to Tennessee unless absolutely necessary. The Tennessee Department of Health today reported there are now more than 1,200 cases of COVID-19 in the state, and Governor Bill Lee has thus far resisted calls to impose strict restrictions when it comes to social distancing. Beshear took time today to speak directly to Kentuckians who live near the border, and he urged them not to go to Tennessee unless it's for work, caring for a loved one, or going to a grocery store if it's closer. Because if someone travels there and comes back with the virus, that would undermine much of the work that's been done here to keep people safe. The governor was later asked if he'd consider closing the border.
I think that we consider different options every single day. I'm not there yet, but we're going to have to look at what it's going to take to make sure that if in Logan County all of these restaurants have shut down, that it's not, that sacrifice is simply not frustrated by the county to the south. It's not fair.
The governor said he hasn't spoken to Lee about his concerns, but he admits he is frustrated by some states' lack of urgency as far as it relates to responding to the spread of COVID-19. He did take time, though, to commend Governor Mike DeWine of Ohio.